I've been trading the Forex market for almost half a decade now, and throughout my trading journey, I've made a lot of mistakes that sometimes when I look back, I wish I hadn't made them. However, these are some of the things we learned from and become better over time. But if I was to start trading again in 2025, I would do things differently. In case you don't know me, my name is FX, a Forex trader, and in today's video, I'll walk you guys through exactly what I would do differently if I would start trading again in 2025. So let's go. Number one, I would trade only one pair. You heard me right. I wouldn't just jump from one pair to another. The question is why? Now let's break this down. Now, when you're learning how to trade, probably you're learning the ICT concept, you're learning the SMC, the Falcon, whatever strategy you're learning at all. It's important that you build context around what you're trading. Now, when you trade a particular pair, this helps you stabilize yourself on a particular context, having understood the pair you're trading. Because most of these pairs behave a different way. Trust me, guys. Now, this is because people trade those pairs. And whenever they trade those pairs, they think a certain way, which is quite different from how they would trade other pairs. And this is why those pairs don't behave all the same. So it is important you stick to a single pair, master that pair, build context around that pair before you add other pairs in your trading list. Number two, I will trade demo longer. I'll trade the demo long enough that I master how to follow rules and not just being excited by emotions and then click on buy and sell randomly. The question is why? You see, whenever your emotions are increased, best believe your intelligence drops over time. And this is because, man, it is what it is. One goes up, the other comes down. It's important you stay with intelligence rather than emotions. And the only way you can do this is to follow rules the right way. So best believe I'll make sure I trade demo longer. I see a lot of Forex traders coming to the market within a week or two. They already funded their live account. And best believe this is just like a case of a pilot learning to fly for the very first time. 2 days, and the third day, he already went on flying solo. You already know how this ends. Number three, I will use smaller risks to reward. You see, when I first started trading the Forex market in 2022, moved down into 2023, I used huge risks to reward, right? And at the end of the day, I would watch my trade go up and eventually fall back down to my stop loss. This happened over time and I lost confidence in myself. In fact, I could not even trade the Forex market without taking signals from groups and all that. And at some point, I had to sit down and ask myself, what's going on? Until one day, I stumbled upon a statistic that showed that smaller risk to reward has high profitability rates than the higher risk to reward. And currently, I only trade 1:2 risk to reward. And since then, my P&L has improved greatly. So it is important you use smaller risk to reward to trade the Forex market. Number four, I will journal every trade. You see, journaling is very much important. You see, when you're able to put down write-ups on the trades you took, the ones that went well and the ones that didn't go well, you're able to go back and check what it is you need to improve upon and what it is you need to stop doing. You see, a lot of people come into the market and they say, yo, I've got a long memory. I can remember everything that happened 2 years ago, 3 years ago without missing a single detail. Now, that's cool. But here's one thing my sister always said. A short pen is better than a long memory. It is important you put down things in writing so you could go back, check what was wrong, and see how you could improve your game moving forward. Number five, I would set monthly targets. You see, while I started trading the Forex market, I didn't know how to set monthly targets. I just traded. One of the things I noticed was the fact that I would make gains and at the end of the day lose everything to the market again. This was because I didn't have a target. I was just flowing with the wind and best believe I didn't have a sail. So there was no direction. I was just tossed anywhere and everywhere. So until I fixed the problem of setting a target, I wasn't moving forward even though I was good at trading. So setting monthly target is one very important thing I would do if I were to start trading again in 2025. Number six, I would avoid social media. As beautiful as the social media is, it is also a place where you could get distracted easily. You see, some of the things you see on social media aren't real. The strategies you see people do, whatever, these are curated. Most of those guys come up and pull up some few charts they took probably a day before, but they never show you what has happened to their accounts few months behind. And because of this, a lot of you guys jump from one strategy to another without actually mastering one strategy. And this is why you guys lose confidence in yourself. I mean, this happened to me when I started trading the Forex market from a few years ago. So it's important you stick to your own trading game and learn whatever it is your mentor is teaching you without being tossed about by the trend you see on social media. Forex trading isn't easy, but with the right mindset, you would become better if you're willing to learn and do all it takes to move forward from one point to the next. My name remains Zuko FX. See you in the next one. Bye for now.